Now, most of us kind of know the rule of match the hatch, but is that still a thing? Do you like to throw something like this JF Customs crappie looking square bill that looks almost identical to a crappie, which is extremely popular here in the north, or do you go with something that doesn't even really exist, like this JF Customs kind of a bright fluorescent yellow red back, a little bit of tiger striping on the side? I'm sure you can see that in the sunlight. What are you guys gonna throw? Match the hatch, or are you gonna go bright colors? Myself, I always match the hatch first, but sometimes I'll play with the water clarity, because sometimes they might be able to see this a little bit better.